about matrices part 13. Most important problem, long answer question. Third exercise, third bit, first problem. If A equals to diagonal dig diagonal of A1, A2, A3, then for any integer n is greater than or equals to 1, n is greater than or equals to 1, then show that diagonal of A1 power n, A2 power n, A3 power n. Right. It is by using mathematical induction. By using mathematical induction means this problem, mathematical induction, prove the mathematical induction by using 3 steps. Given statement, first P of n is given statement. First step, step 1, true for n is equals to 1. True for n is equals to 1. Second one, true for, assume that true for n is equals to k. True for n is equals to k. Third step, show that true for n is equals to k plus 1. First step is true for at n is equals to 1. Second step, true for, then assume that true for n is equals to k. And third step, true first, then show that true for n is equals to k plus 1. Okay, right. So given matrix, given by A is equals to diagonal of A1, A2, A3, that means A1 0 0 0 A2 0 0 0 A3, that means diagonal matrix. Non-diagonal elements are equals to 0. Non-diagonal elements are equals to 0. Then it is called a diagonal matrix. It is called a diagonal. Non-diagonal elements are equals to 0. Right. Now, first and given statement. What is the statement? Take the statement P of n or anyone, P of n. Diagonal means that is equals to A is equal, that means A power n equals to A1 power n 0 0 0 A2 power n 0 0 0 A3 power n. It is a given statement. Step 1. What is the step 1? At n is equals to 1. At n is equal to 1. Substitute the value of n equals to 1. Substitute the value of n equals to 1 at a given statement. Okay, right. A power n, n means 1, equals to A1 power 1 0 0 0 A2 power 1 0 0 0 A3 power 1. That means A1 0 0 0 A2 0 0 0 A3. So it is a given matrix A1 0 0 0 A2 0 0 0 A3. So to substitute the value of n equals to 1. Therefore, true for n is equals to 1. True for n is equals to 1. Next, step 2. Assume that true for n is equals to k. True for n is equals to k. True for n equals to k. Substitute the value of n equals to k in given statement. A power k is equals to A1 power k 0 0 0 A2 power k 0 0 0 A3 power k. It is a value is 1. Okay, step 3, what is the step? Step 3, then show that true for n equals to k plus 1. True for n equals to k plus 1. Right. True for n equals to k plus 1. Substitute the value of n equals to k plus 1 in given statement. Now consider a power k plus 1. A power k plus 1. In n place k plus 1. Write a power k plus 1, write as a power k into a power 1. So bases are equal, then power should be added. Bases are equal, then power should be added. A power k into a power 1. Right, a power k means from 1 implies a1 power k 0 0 0 a2 power k 0 0 0 a3 power k into a1 0 0 0 a2 0 0 0 a3. Right, multiply this one. First row, first column, a1 power k into a1 plus 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into 0 0. Next first row, second column, a1 power k into 0 0 0 into something 0 0 into something 0. a1 power k into 0 0 0 into something 0 0 into something 0. Right. Next second row, first column, 0 a2 into 0 0 0 into something 0. Right. 0 plus a2 power k into a2 plus 0. Second row, third column, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Right. Third row, first column, 0 into something 0 0 into something 0 0 a3 power k into something 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 0 into something 0 plus 0 plus a3 power k into a3. Right. Bases are equal, a1 a1, power should be added, a1 power k plus 1 plus 0 0 0 0 0. Bases are equal, a2 power k plus 1 0 0 0 a3 power k plus 1. Right. See here, in n place k plus 1, n place k plus 1. Therefore true for n equals to k plus 1. Okay, therefore by using principle mathematical induction true for all n belongs to n. N means natural numbers. Okay.